Today we're going to make a design using Zentangle patterns. We're going to start out by drawing everything with pencil, then go back in using sharpies. After that, we're going to go back with Crayola markers and Crayola colored pencils to make our design really pop. Let's go. Whenever I make art, I do lots of sample sketches, little thumbnail drawings. Doing this allows me to make mistakes before I start my real piece, so that way I'm not stressed out because I don't make as many mistakes because I already have a clear and decisive plan. Now I'm using a ruler and pencil to divide my paper into 9 parts that I will fill with patterns. Now I need to create some patterns that will go into those 9 sections. So here I have some sample sketches, and now I need to decide which of these patterns I like the best. When you're drawing your Zentangle patterns, it is highly recommended to make sure that you are using a straight edge like a ruler, or if you need to draw things like circles, maybe have a circle stencil, or any other tools that are going to allow you to draw your patterns very neatly is going to be crucial. To make these patterns look good, you need to make them look consistent, and those types of tools are going to allow you to do that. So for my piece, when I started going back with my black outlines and my black filling in, I use Sharpies. I use 2 different sizes. I have my extra fine tip and I have my regular size, which they call fine tip. So that's good because that way you can have your nice skinny lines like you want, and then you can also fill in a lot faster. There are lots of different sizes of Sharpies, and of course lots of different colors too, which you could do this project in different colors if you so desired, but I stuck with the black because I knew I wanted my colors to really pop once I went to that stage. Now it's time for adding color. So for me, I started with the Crayola markers, the very lightest versions of those colors I could find. I layered everything in very flat, didn't worry about any shading at all. And then later I went back and added colored pencils. So the colored pencils allow me to add a little bit of visual depth. So I shaded in. This is going to add a lot of dimension to your piece, and it's going to make it go from looking relatively flat to fairly 3D very easily. If you like today's video, go ahead and click on this one too. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to Create Art with Chris right here.